How to get 80% off Frontier Airlines coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Frontier Airlines coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com, open it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website here, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Frontier Airlines. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 75% off, 20% off, 90% off, and many more. Here towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on Redeem at Frontier Airlines. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your flight, and proceed to checkout. While you're in the checkout page, you're going to find this section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as on this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Frontier Airlines. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website. Save the codes, as this is also the genuine website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Frontier Airlines. So this is how you can easily get up to 80% off working coupon code for Frontier Airlines. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.